Our topic is about solving quadratic equation using quadratic formula. Quadratic formula is negative b plus and minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Then our first example, x squared minus 7x plus 5 equals 0. Then we will find the value for a, b, and c. The value for a here is positive 1, and the value for b is negative 7, and the value for c is positive 5. Then we will plug in all the values of a, b, and c in the formula. So we have negative times negative 7 plus and minus square root of negative 7 squared minus 4 times 1 times 5 over 2 times 1. Then we will simplify. Negative times negative 7 is positive 7 plus and minus square root of negative 7 squared is positive 49, and negative 4 times 1 times 5 is negative 20. Then over 2 times 1 is 2. So we have here the results, 7 plus and minus square root of 29 over 2. So our first solution is 7 over 2 plus square root of 29. And the second solution is 7 over 2 minus square root of 29. Then our second example, x squared plus 8x plus 15 equals 0. Then we will find the value for a, b, and c. The value for a here is positive 1, and the value for b is positive 8, and the value for c is positive 15. Then we will plug in all the values for a, b, and c in the formula. So we have negative 8 plus and minus square root of 8 squared minus 4 times 1 times 15 over 2 times 1. Then we will simplify. So negative 8, we have plus and minus square root of 8 squared is 64. Then negative 4 times positive 1 times 15 is negative 60. Then 2 times 1 is 2. Then we have negative 8 plus and minus square root of 4 over 2. Then we have negative 8 plus and minus the square root of 4 is 2 over 2. And then our first solution is x sub 1 equals negative 4 plus 2 equals negative 4 plus 2 is negative 2. And our second solution is x sub 2 equals negative 4 minus 2, and that is equal to negative 6.